Hey there, little explorers! Gather around because today we have a fascinating mystery to uncover. Have you ever met a letter that can be a vowel and a consonant? Yes, you heard that right. A single letter that can play two different roles. It sounds tricky, right? Well, get ready to meet the amazing letter Y. This letter is like a superhero in the alphabet world with the power to change its identity. Y is a bit of a shapeshifter. It can transform itself depending on the word it's in. Isn't that cool? Sometimes it acts like a vowel and sometimes it acts like a consonant. But how does it decide which one to be? But don't worry, we'll solve this mystery together and learn how to pronounce Y in a jiffy. Let's dive deeper into the world of the letter Y and discover its secrets. First, let's talk about when Y acts like a vowel. In words like cry, fly, and my, Y takes on the role of a vowel. It sounds like the long I sound. Can you think of other words where Y is a vowel? Now, let's look at when Y acts like a consonant. In words like yellow, yes, and yarn, Y is at the beginning of the word and sounds like the consonant Y. It's like a detective changing its disguise. Isn't it amazing how versatile the letter Y is? It's like having a secret agent in our alphabet, always ready to switch roles and help us out. The letter Y can also be found in the middle of words, like in gym or system. Here, it often sounds like a short I or a long E. It's like Y is always on an adventure, exploring new sounds and places. So next time you see the letter Y, remember that it's not just any ordinary letter. It's a special one with the power to change its sound and role. It's like a treasure waiting to be discovered in every word. And now, little explorers, you know the secret of the upside-down vowel. You've learned how Y can be both a vowel and a consonant. Keep practicing and you'll become a master of the letter Y in no time. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of letters and words. Goodbye for now. Say hello to Yolanda the yak. Yolanda is not just any ordinary yak. She has a heart full of curiosity and a mind eager to explore. Every day she wakes up with a big smile on her face, ready to embark on new adventures and learn something exciting. Whether it's discovering new places, meeting new friends, or trying out new activities, Yolanda is always up for the challenge. Her fluffy fur and cheerful demeanor make her a beloved friend to everyone she meets. She's super fluffy and loves to learn new things. From reading books to solving puzzles, Yolanda's thirst for knowledge is unquenchable. She spends her days exploring the world around her, always on the lookout for something new to discover. Her favorite subjects are nature and music, and she often combines the two by listening to the sounds of the forest while reading about different plants and animals. Yolanda believes that learning is a lifelong journey, and she encourages everyone to join her in this exciting adventure. And guess what? Yolanda has a friend named Yuki, a Yeti with a passion for yodeling. Yuki is a fun-loving and energetic Yeti who lives in the snowy mountains. He has a unique talent for yodeling, a form of singing that involves rapid changes in pitch. Yuki's yodeling can be heard echoing through the mountains, bringing joy to all who hear it. He loves to share his passion for yodeling with others and often holds yodeling sessions where he teaches his friends how to yodel. Yuki's enthusiasm is contagious, and he always manages to get everyone involved in the fun. Yolanda and Yuki are here to help us discover the sounds of the letter Y. Together, they make learning fun and engaging. They have created a special game where they find objects and words that start with the letter Y. From yo-yos to yellow flowers, they explore the world around them, pointing out all the things that begin with the letter Y. Their game is not only educational, but also a great way to spend time together and strengthen their friendship. They believe that learning should be a joyful experience, and they strive to make every moment enjoyable. Are you ready to join their yodeling adventure? Let's go! Yolanda and Yuki have planned an exciting day filled with yodeling, games, and discoveries. They will take you on a journey through the mountains, where you will learn how to yodel, find objects that start with the letter Y, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Along the way, you will meet new friends, learn new skills, and have a lot of fun. So, put on your adventure hat and get ready to yodel with Yolanda and Yuki. It's going to be an unforgettable experience. Psst! Before we start yodeling, don't forget to check out our super fun AZ Words adventure video on our channel. You'll meet all sorts of silly characters and learn amazing new words. It's an alphabet party you won't want to miss. Now let's hear that Y sound. When Y acts like a consonant, it says ya, like the beginning of the word yum. Can you say ya? That's right, you got it. Ya, like you're about to eat a delicious slice of watermelon. Yolanda the yak loves to play with yellow yarn. She finds it so fascinating and fun to toss it around and watch it unravel. The bright yellow color makes it even more exciting for her. Did you know that yaks are actually very playful animals? They enjoy engaging in activities that keep them entertained, just like Yolanda with her yellow yarn. It's a delightful sight to see her so happy and engaged. And Yuki the Yeti can't resist a yummy yogurt parfait. Every morning, Yuki looks forward to his delicious treat. He loves the creamy texture and the sweet taste of the yogurt mixed with fresh fruits and crunchy granola. It's his favorite way to start the day. Yogurt parfaits are not only tasty, but also very nutritious, providing a good source of protein and vitamins. Yuki always feels energized and ready for his adventures after enjoying his parfait. Can you guess what these words have in common? Let's think about it for a moment. We have yellow yarn, a playful yak, and a yummy yogurt parfait. What could be the common thread that ties them all together? If you guessed that they all start with the letter Y, you're absolutely right. The letter Y is quite special and unique. It often makes the Y sound, which is fun to say and easy to remember. Yes, they all start with the letter Y and that fun U sound, yellow, yarn, yogurt, yum. There are so many wonderful words that begin with Y. For example, we have yawn, which is something we do when we're tired. Year, which is a period of 365 days. Yacht, a fancy boat that sails on the water. And yoga, a practice that helps us stay fit and relaxed. Learning new words that start with Y can be a fun and exciting adventure. It helps us expand our vocabulary and discover new things about the world around us. See how easy it is to pronounce Y? The Y sound is simple and clear. With a little practice, you can master it in no time. Try saying some Y words out loud. Yellow, yarn, yogurt, yawn, year, yacht, yoga. Great job! Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at pronouncing words that start with Y. Remember, learning new words is like opening a door to new adventures and possibilities. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and have fun with the letter Y. Let's practice some more words that start with Y-yo-yo, yes, yawn. Can you think of any other Y words? That's fantastic! Keep practicing and soon you'll be a Y pronouncing pro. You did it! You learned how to pronounce the letter Y like a champion. Remember, when Y acts like a consonant, it says yo like yum. Keep practicing those Y words and you'll be a letter-sounding superstar in no time. Before we say goodbye, let's hear Yuki the Yeti yodel one more time. Yodel-a-hee-hoo, wasn't that fun? You can even yodel along with Yuki. Thanks for joining Yolanda the Yak, Yuki the Yeti, and me on this exciting letter adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun with letters, words, and silly characters. See you soon. Bye-bye.